Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, Shiba Inu price back to square one as bull rally gets cut short. Shiba Inu price action falls back to Monday's opening levels, making it a week of hardly any gains or losses. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. SHIB price action looks a bit bearish as another broader support test is set to kick in later today. SHIB price is still set to tank to 1500 as bearish momentum continues. Shiba Inu price action retook a step back and paired almost all the gains from Wednesday's rally. Investors are swinging back into bearish mode as tail risks emerge and are put at the top of the agenda going into the weekend. Conflicting rumors and contrary remarks from what is going on in Ukraine are keeping investors puzzled and refraining them from continuing to open risk on bets. Shiba Inu price sees puzzled investors turning their back on crypto. Shiba Inu price action is set to erase its gains from earlier this week. SHIB price rose after the news that peace talks were making good progress. Yet this all looked to be thrown in the bin overnight as several headlines came out about Russia being not at all optimistic, and the US even putting the threat of nuclear weapons back on the table, as it sees Russia possibly trying to squeeze out a peace agreement that meets all of its demands but none of Ukraine's. Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies saw bulls repeating the same mistake as last week when they got squeezed out by the weekend. SHIB price action is again dropping back to the baseline of a longer-term triangle with the green trendline as its base. Multiple tests up until now have been held, but with the meeting between Biden and Xi this evening, it looks clear that the US wants to get a clear answer from China as to whether it is with the US against Russia, or with Russia, offering no middle ground. The tail risk from this meeting going into the weekend could trigger a break at 2111 and see a drop toward 1708, the low of January, which could well overshoot towards 1500. Of course, a truce or ceasefire would help turn the current sentiment around. If that were to happen, expect a big pop in price action, capped at a max 13% gain, to where the red descending trend line and side of the triangle intersect with the 55-day simple moving average, SMA. Yet at the moment this seems an impossible hurdle to break through, seeing the weakness of bulls currently at hand. SHIB Superstore brand burns 595 million Shiba Inu. The BRICS buster burns continue. The SHIB Superstore brand burned over 595 million SHIB on March 17 using February's ad revenue from both its website and the BRICS buster mobile game. As shared in the Etherscan transaction, the SHIB burn of 595 million Shiba Inu totaled $13,011. This is slightly more than the recorded revenue of $12,086. This is the latest huge SHIB burns to take place in mid-March, albeit less controversial than previous burns. Yet another SHIB burn from gaming after this burn, the total destroyed by Travis Johnson, owner and creator of the SHIB Superstore and BRICS Buster game, comes to 1.3 billion SHIB, or $37,369. While this is some 180 million more SHIB than the last burn, this is a reflection of SHIB's dip in price, with the revenue being $431 more than the last month. Most of the revenue comes from advertising on the BRICS Buster game. A proportion also comes from two other games created by Johnson, alongside revenue from the website, which sells Shiba-branded products. Based on his projections, Johnson hopes to burn over $40,000 or 1.5 billion SHIB each month by October. In a blog post after the burn, he said, "All this from a small game called BRICS Buster, or is it? I think all this is from the incredible power, support of the SHIB army. The support and understanding from the army has been incredible, especially since we are also part of the community." Looking to the next burn, Johnson posted on Twitter that the revenue is around 20% behind last month. This comes as the Shiba community remains excited about future burning projects within the ecosystem, through a burn portal. Shiba Inu loses over 30,000 holders in a single day as interest in SHIB wanes, despite the fact that the number of Shiba Inu coin holders has been continuously expanding over the previous 3 months. The decentralized token has lately experienced a massive loss of more than 30,000 holders in a single day. Indeed, the total number of unique addresses on the network holding the dog meme coin was on a steady climb over the last 3 months, until March 17, when it saw a major dip by 32,832 holders. Between March 16 and March 17, the number went from 1 million to 2 million, a 12.74% drop, according to CoinMarketCap data acquired by Finbold on March 18. Earlier in March, Finbold reported that the number of on-chain transactions of the Shiba Inu token was on a downward pattern for the fourth month in a row. Between January and February 2022, this number had gone down from 283,268 to 257,003, or by 9.27%. Interest in online searches for Shiba Inu drops as well. Furthermore, the interest in the keyword, buy Shiba Inu coin on Google has been on a downtrend as well, with the Google Trend score reducing from 100 on November 30, 2021, to only 3 on February 28, meaning the interest dropped by a staggering 97% during this period. While in early February, Finbold noted the first signs of falling interest in the meme cryptocurrency, when Shiba Inu lost more than 4,000 holding addresses over the course of 1 week between January 28 and February 3, 2022. At the time of publication, SHIB traded at 2,224, which is a 0.045% decrease from the price of 2,225 which it had the week before. The coin's current market capitalization stands at $12.21 billion. On Wednesday, an anonymous crypto whale purchased an astounding 271 billion SHIB worth roughly $6 million at the time of the acquisition. At press time, as the SHIB price has declined a little, this sum in SHIB comprises around $400,000 less. This morning, SHIB printed a massive red candle on the hourly chart as it kept going down, losing almost 2% of its value. Since March 17, when the token managed to reach a local peak of 2,281, the SHIB price has dropped 4.23%, trading at 2,185 at the time of video. Shiba Inu could be listed on leading Middle Eastern exchange. Middle East cryptocurrency exchange Rain has announced that it is considering listing the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency exchange, according to a recent tweet. Rain Financial, the operator of the trading platform, raked in $110 million during its Series B funding round. The fundraising was led by San Francisco-based crypto-focused investment firm Paradigm. The exchange said that it would use the freshly injected capital to expand its presence into Pakistan and Turkey. In 2019, Rain became the first fully licensed cryptocurrency in the Middle Eastern region by receiving approval from the Central Bank of Bahrain. Prior to that, it raised $2.5 million from BitMEX and Kuwait-based Blockwater. In 2021, the exchange completed its $6 million Series A funding round, attracting capital from VC firm MEVP Capital and other investors. The Bahrain-based cryptocurrency platform boasts more than 185,000 active users. It has now processed close to $2 billion worth of transactions. Rain also offers custodian services on top of operating a crypto exchange. Shiba Inu's bearish run. Apart from the new exchange listing, Shiba Inu also enjoys growing merchant adoption. As reported by You Today, AMC Theaters, the largest cinema chain in the world, started accepting the cryptocurrency earlier this month. Yet, the token continues to struggle price-wise despite gaining more visibility. The SHIB token is down 2.61% over the last 24 hours, currently sitting in 15th place by market cap. Overall, the token has slumped 74.62% from its October high, leaving late buyers in the dust. Rival Dogecoin is faring even worse, plunging 84.27% from its peak. Is Shiba Inu an answer to inflation? It might be. In one country, some in Turkey are turning to the digital token as a hedge against skyrocketing inflation. Inflation is once again a major problem. Just go to a grocery store, restaurant, or especially a gas station. In the US, all eyes are on the Federal Reserve Board to fight the rise of inflation. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.